Let's take a trip to see what's so cool about Lutron.
My name is Michael O'Brien. I'm the production manager. So the origin of Lutron is interesting. It started with an idea in an apartment in New York City. So Mr. Spira, our founder, had some ideas from things that he learned in his time in the Navy. That kind of sparked some imagination with him, and he tried some things, and the next thing you knew, we had the first solid-state dimmer, which he is credited for inventing.
My name is James Humanik. I'm a senior technical assistant. Throughout high school, I attended LCTI, learning electrical technology. Once hired, I have learned everything here from the great people at Lutron, and now I am back to school after 10 years to pursue my machinist apprenticeship.
My name is Tara Snyder, and I'm a production supervisor. My favorite part of working at Lutron is the people and building great high-quality product.
My favorite part of working at Lutron is the atmosphere the people generate, as well as being valued and heard.
I would say the most interesting thing about manufacturing is that you get to work with products from the past. You're working on things today in the present and advanced technologies for the future.
I'm Marilyn Albert. I'm a specialist technical assistant. Manufacturing challenges you to learn and apply new skills that will allow you to take more responsibility and grow your career.
Manufacturing is a great career for students to consider. Working in manufacturing is exciting, it's challenging.
Spark imagination.
Spark the future.
Spark imagination.
Spark the future.
That is what's so cool about Lutron.